Hello everyone, in this episode of my OpenShot tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crop and flip a video. As an exercise, I'm gonna crop and flip this video. And then add it to this video. To get this final video. Alright, let's get started. So here I have added the main video to track 1. Now I'm gonna add the second video, which is the one to be cropped and flipped, to track 2. This second video clip will temporarily hide the main video clip below it. To crop this video, click the Effects tab, and then click and drag the crop effect to the video clip on track 2. An effect icon with a letter C will appear on clip 2. Now make sure the playhead is placed at the start of clip 2. If it isn't yet, click the previous key point button to move it to the start of the clip. Then click the crop effect icon to show its properties. On the crop effect properties panel, click and drag the left size property value bar to adjust the amount of cropping to the left of the object of interest. As you can see on the video preview, the video clip 2 is cropped as I change the left size property value. Now before I continue, I'd like to explain quickly why the playhead has to be placed at the start of the clip first before cropping. The reason is because cropping effect is an animation, and therefore it will insert the current frame as a keyframe to the cropping properties as we edit them. To make it clearer, let me just move the playhead to the 2-second mark of the timeline. Then I change the cropping's right size property value. And now if we play the video from the beginning, we'll get an animated cropping of the right area like this. So once again, unless you want to make an animated cropping, please make sure that the playhead is first placed at the start of the clip to be cropped. Now repeat the same steps for the right size, top size and the bottom size properties. Once we're done cropping, we're gonna flip the cropped video horizontally. To do that, click clip 2 on the timeline to show its properties, and make sure the playhead is still at the start of the clip. On the clip properties, look for the Scale X property and change its value to -1. As you can see on the video preview, besides for zooming purpose, setting the Scale X property to a negative value will flip the video horizontally. Likewise, a negative Scale Y property will flip the video vertically. Alright, the last step will be moving the cropped video clip to the bottom left corner of the main video or clip 1. Once again, please make sure clip 2 is being selected and the playhead is at the start of the clip. Now on the clip properties panel, change the location X and Y properties simply by clicking and dragging the property value bar. As you can see on the video preview, the cropped video moves as we change the location X properties value. Repeat this step for the location Y property. Now if we play the video from the beginning, we'll have something like the one I showed you in the beginning of this tutorial. Alright, so that's how easy it is to do cropping and flipping in OpenShot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.